Right, so we popped into Laval to find some material for the curtains, which hopefully we've sorted. It's a bit of a mess there. I think it might need ironing.
So here we have the fabric for the salon that we ordered from America.
Yes, getting around a bit, aren't we?
It's get it all out again.
But Carol stumbled across this material, which, oh my word, is exactly, isn't it?
Identical colour. You can tell by
I'll
the
zoom
fringe. The colour is identical.
Now, we need 16 metres. And this young lady here has measured out. So we have 8 metres. And then, luckily, we have another store that has another 8 metres. So
it's all good.
it's all good. And we asked for a discount and they said no discount available. But if you come back on Black Friday, which is a couple of days, we can have 30% off. So happy.
I've now got her looking for tassels. So we can swing our tassels.
Yes, courtesy of John. Yes, I forgot about that.
But
anyhow,
this is a nice, it's like chenille feel to it. It's very fine cord. And like we said, it's the perfect colour. Let's hope it looks good when it's up.
Yes, I think it will look excellent.
It's that or nothing.
But it's not me who's putting this all together.
Neither am I at the moment. That's a job for another year.
That's a 2023 job, that one, isn't it? Right, well, we're just going to see if they manage to sort out the rest of the material and we'll come back to you. Well, we've done a deal. Carol has to work. Get behind the counter, you're supposed to be working. Oh my word. We're trying to now find tassels for the edge. So we're at our local Bacont and, well, Carol's in the junk aisle. Looking for Christmas presents, eh?
You never know what you might find. See, there's odd things like key covers and lock covers, things like this, odd things.
This Bacont is brilliant for that, isn't it? Those things, you wouldn't see them in other Baconts, really.
Door latches and odd handles that are broken.
And the good thing is they're all together. Whenever we go to other Baconts, they're scattered all over the place. And usually it's pitch black, you can't really see anything. So what you found?
Right, so hooks to make the pinch pleats on the curtains.
You've lost me already.
I know. So I've bought my heading tape and I just want to see if this will work or not, because I don't want to buy more heading tape. So you space them out. This is really fiddly. Kind of like that. Poke them up. Okay, they're not even, I haven't put them all the way up the slots, but they give you the gathered look for the top of the heading of the curtains.
Oh yeah,
and that's what you use, those. So they are a good find yesterday.
In here, yes.
Which is why I've come back to try that and see how much they're going to be.
Right.
Because there's a tin full.
Do you know how many you need?
There's plenty.
Oh right, okay.
Yeah.
Well, I'll see what other junk's around here then, shall I?
Yay.
Can't really use the word junk, you know. It's a bit of a steptoe and son in here, isn't it? But as I said, it's amazing. Sometimes you just come across something that you've been looking for ages. Just randomly, an old lock, complete with all the keys. But I don't need one.
So here's a glimpse of the fabrics together. We have the patterned one that I ordered from America. Ignore that it's upside down at the moment. We have the plain one that I bought locally. You can see the original holdbacks that I've gold leafed. All comes together beautifully. I am trying to source some tassel rope holdbacks similar to this to hoist up the curtains to give them this look. But this is the look that I'm going for. Obviously they're only up there temporarily to give you a glimpse of how they'll look eventually. at the balcony where we brought the chandelier for the dining room, and I've just spotted, no, not you, get out my picture, this standard lamp that I thought would look very nice in the salon.
No, like one.
The gentleman's just gone to check if he's got another candle cover. There's one piece missing. It's €120.
Troche.
And there is one crystal missing as well, but I'm sure we can find that. But I think that might look quite nice, but let's see what he has. Carrying it away means we bought it. We had to rewire one of the candles.
Easy job though.
And there's one crystal missing, but I'm sure we've got one of those at home. So, let's take that home.
How do we get it home? We haven't got a car to get it in. It's too big.
We did get it at a little bit of a cheaper price. Let's take it home and get it plugged in.
Same balcony we bought the dining room large luminaire from chandelier from, so gives us a little discount. I think it goes well, don't you?
Oh, it suits you, darling. Let's get it home.
Right. Now what are you up to?
Ta-da!
That's one of those channels. You buy things on the line today.
So don't shoot me.
Why?
I've just stolen the chandelier.
Oh my word.
We'll only have white ones otherwise. So this is what we've got at the balcony. And are you ready?
What? Light on, light off. Cool.
Woo!
Wow.
Look at that.
There you go. That was a good find actually, wasn't it?
I'd seen it in this balcony a couple of months ago, but Adrian being tight, he wouldn't buy it.
Cheeky.
Also, Adrian, like other people, this is what I'm saying to people, don't always judge. If you don't something straight away, don't always judge if the room's not finished. You might not like the wallpaper. Wait until you see it all finished, or like this, in situ, because you can envisage it in the balcony, but now you've seen it here.
Looks horrible, yeah, I know. Lovely, looks lovely.
It looks absolutely perfect.
If you say so.
There's a few that are broken. It all needs cleaning up and rewiring, as in the crystals need rewiring. There's a few spiders there too.
Yeah.
These, I really don't like these. While we're out shopping at Bracons,
What the candle look.
I keep my eye open for ones to match the chandelier, the cream ceramic ones.
Yes.
Instead of these drippy candle ones.
Plastic. Yeah.
Yeah, because we're not having, over here, on these sconces, we're not having them wired electric.
Oh, that's a relief.
They are, it's not possible, the fittings aren't in there. Tia! That's naughty. The fittings are not in here, so we're having candles in there, and they don't have the covers either.
Higher, go on. How high can you go?
So, there we go.
Very good.
That's our nice, good find at the Bracons.
I think it is, because the reason you said you wanted to do that is because when you've got the main light on the chandelier, it's so bright in here, and sometimes you don't want that, do you? Oh. Yeah, it's bright.
And that's without 6 of those bulbs, so.
Okay.
Ready? Ta-da!
You like that, don't you? It's such a simple thing, yet you like it. Okay.
So just so you can see, I put the lamp in here, just to give it a cosy look. Still changing the light bulbs. But I think that's looking rather cosy.